26 head in the offering. Heifers not been turned out with bulls yet. I'd probably, you know, they're about big enough breed with the bull turn out with age-wise. They're fine, but I'd probably just push them back, make them fall calvers. Do what you want. Who buys them do what you want, but that's not what I do. There's a handful. I think there's 4 or 5 under paper in this deal. There's 20 head in the offering. Nice group turnout. Nice group turnout heifers. Choose a nice group, really nice group of cows. Yeah, there's some registered heifers there. Super dusty. And there's 3 black baldies. I think it's 3. 3 black baldies. 4 black